This video is for educational purposes only. The content provided is an educational example and does not constitute financial advice. Results vary significantly. Meme coins move at extreme speeds, and market conditions can change from a pump to a total tank in seconds. I have experienced these cycles many times, including significant losses. However, those experiences helped me develop a consistent approach. This video aims to help you avoid common mistakes and improve your decision-making from day one. My results improved when I stopped treating meme coins as lottery tickets and started treating them as serious ventures requiring time and discipline. This shift in perspective led to much better outcomes. Currently, I focus on fresh launches. While I started on Pump Fun, that environment has become incredibly saturated and competitive. Even with a great strategy, luck is a factor, and losses are common. Seeking a more balanced environment, I moved to Raydium. It is now my primary hub because the interface is cleaner and the pace is more manageable for sustainable growth. Unlike the constant flood of tokens on other platforms, Raydium is more deliberate, allowing projects room to breathe. After testing various platforms, I chose Splix.fun. It is the most reliable and user-friendly shortcut for launching on Raydium. It automates the technical hurdles, so you don't need to code or handle complex configurations. You can go live in just a few minutes with a few clicks. I will walk you through the entire step-by-step workflow now. One of the fastest ways to fail is to ignore your visual branding. Your logo is the first thing potential buyers see. If it isn't eye-catching, they will scroll right past you. Aim for something vibrant and recognizable. If you are stuck, look at trending social media memes for inspiration. For this demo, I am using a Shrek 5 image. It's funny and instantly recognizable. Ensure you resize your image to 128 by 128 before saving. With your logo ready, the launch process is simple. Connect your wallet and approve the prompt. Define the identity. Enter the name, ticker, and description. For this example, I'll use Buffed Shrek with the ticker SHREK. Upload your logo and proceed. Tokenomics. Don't worry if this section looks technical. The default settings are optimized for success, so you can simply hit Next. Write a description. Make it memorable to draw people in. I'm skipping it for this time. Social links. You can link your socials here to build legitimacy. For this walkthrough, I'll skip this and go straight to the launch. Revoke Authorities. This is crucial for building trust. By enabling Revoke Freeze, Revoke Mint, and Revoke Update, you lock the contract so it cannot be tampered with. This transparency shows investors the project is secure. Once you hit Launch, confirm the transaction in your wallet. Your token is now live. You should verify the details on SolScan immediately to ensure everything looks professional. To make your token tradable, you must add liquidity. Without it, no one can buy or sell. So jump back on Splix.fun and press Liquidity button. It will redirect us to Liquidity Manage window. Select your token from the drop-down at the top field. Then we need to select Amount of Token A. In this example, I am adding 900 million tokens out of a 1 billion supply to the pool. So let's press 90%. And for the token B, which is Solana, I am recommending to press max because we can't lose this funds and always can withdraw them. Once everything is set, press Create Pool button and accept the transaction. Once pool is created, let's track our token on the DEX screener. Press View on Photon button and it will redirect us to our token chart. Keep an eye on the liquidity section. That's where most of the trading activity takes place. And remember, bots are constantly at work here, so some of the price action you see is automated liquidity is essentially the gas in your project's engine. When trading activity peaks, it's the liquidity pool that absorbs the pressure of every transaction. When you're ready for the final step, which is managing your position, in the Raydium liquidity section, you can select your LP position and use the minus icon to remove liquidity when you are ready to take profits. Set the slider to 100%, monitor the SOL value, and approve the transaction. Final reminder, this guide is strictly for educational purposes. I am not affiliated with Photon, Splix.fun, or Dex Screener. I am simply sharing my personal process. By repeating this process, I'm netting around 0.2 to 0.3 SOL per launch. It might seem modest, but by executing this consistently several times a day, the gains stack up fast. So don't miss on the opportunity, and goodbye.